Hello and welcome to Career Guarantee, where success is guaranteed by Mr. Shopon Kumar Sarkar, the pharma industry expert. Today, we will discuss about the remaining part of antibiotics. Miscellaneous antibiotics, clindamycin. It's a lincosamide antibiotic similar in mechanism of action and spectrum of activity to erythromycin. It inhibits gram-positive cocci, C. diphtheria, nocardia, actinomyces, toxoplasma. But distinctive feature is its high activity against a variety of anaerobes, especially Bacteroides fragilis. However, aerobic gram-negative bacilli are not affected. Oral absorption of clindamycin is good. It is largely metabolized and excreted in urine and bile. The T half is 3 hours. Side effects are rashes, urticaria, abdominal pain, but the major problem is diarrhea and pseudomembranous colitis due to Clostridium difficile superinfection, which is potentially fatal. Topically, it can be used for infected acne vulgaris. Lincomycin. It is the forerunner of clindamycin, has similar antibacterial and toxic properties. It is less potent and produces a higher incidence of diarrhea and colitis. Deaths have occurred. Thus, it has been largely replaced by clindamycin for anaerobic and skeletal infections. It is absorbed orally and excreted mainly in bile. T half is 5 hours. Brand name of lincomycin is Lynx. Vancomycin. It is a glycopeptide antibiotic discovered in 1956 as a penicillin substitute. It is bactericidal to gram-positive cocci, Neisseria, Clostridia and diphtheroids. Vancomycin acts by inhibiting bacterial cell wall synthesis. It is not absorbed orally. After IV administration, it is widely distributed. Teicoplanin. It is a glycopeptide antibiotic. It is active against gram-positive bacteria only. Mechanism of action and spectrum of activity is similar to vancomycin. Spectinomycin. It is a bacteriostatic antibiotic chemically related to aminoglycosides and active against many gram-negative bacteria. Fusidic acid. It is a narrow spectrum steroidal antibiotic active against penicillinase producing staphylococci and few other gram positive bacteria. It is now used only topically for boils folliculitis. Polypeptide antibiotics, polymyxin B and colistin. They are positive against gram negative bacteria only. They are rapidly acting bactericidal agent. Both have similar range of activity, but colistin is more potent on Pseudomonas, Salmonella and Shigella. They exhibit synergism with many other antimicrobials. Brand name is Neosporin and Valamycin. Bacitracin. It is active mainly against gram-positive organisms, both cocci and bacilli. It acts by inhibiting cell wall synthesis. It is bactericidal. Bacitracin is not absorbed orally. Brand name is Neosporin. Urinary antiseptics. Some antimicrobial agents in orally tolerated doses attain antibacterial concentration only in the urinary tract and are used only for UTI. They have been called urinary antiseptics because this may be considered as a form of local therapy. Along with nalidixic acid, two major important agents are nitrofurantoin and methenamine. Sulfonamides. Sulfonamides were the first antimicrobial agents effective against pyogenic bacterial infection. All sulfonamides may be considered to be derivatives of sulfonilamide. Sulfonamides that are still of clinical interest are short-acting 4 to 8 hours, sulfadiazine, sulfamethoxazole, intermediate acting 8 to 12 hours, sulfamethoxazole, sulfamoxole, long acting 7 days, sulfadoxine, sulfamethopirazine, special purpose sulfonilamide. Sulfonamides are primarily bacteriostatic against many gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. However, bactericidal concentration may be attained in urine. Sulfonamides, being structural analogous of PABA, inhibit bacterial folate synthetase. Folic acid is not formed and a number of essential metabolic reactions of bacteria suffer. Most bacteria are capable of developing resistance to sulfonamides. Prominent among these are gonococci, pneumococci, staph aureus, meningococci, E. coli, etc. No cross resistance between sulfonamides and other antimicrobial agents have been noted. Sulfonamides are rapidly absorbed from GI tract and excreted mainly by the kidney. Cotrimoxazole. The fixed dose combination of trimethoprim and sulfamethoxazole is called cotrimoxazole. Individually, both are primarily bacteriostatic, but the combination becomes bactericidal. Sulfamethoxazole was selected for combining with trimethoprim because both have nearly same T half, that is 10 hour. Optimal synergy in case of most organisms is exhibited at a concentration ratio of sulfamethoxazole 20 is to trimethoprim 1. A high incidence of fever, rash and bone marrow hypoplasia due to cotrimoxazole has been reported among AIDS patients with pneumocystis carinii infections. Quinolones. These are entirely synthetic antimicrobials having a quinolone structure that are active primarily against gram-negative bacteria. The first member nalidixic acid was introduced in 1960s. Nalidixic acid is active against gram-negative bacteria, especially coliforms, E. coli, Proteus, Klebsiella, Enterobacter, Shigella, but not Pseudomonas. It acts by inhibiting bacterial DNA gyrase and it's bactericidal. Nalidixic acid is absorbed orally, highly plasma protein bound and partly metabolized in liver. Nalidixic acid is primarily bactericidal. Fluoroquinolones. These are quinolone antimicrobials having one or more fluorine substitution. The first generation of fluoroquinolones introduced in 1980s have one fluoro substitution. Fluoroquinolones have bactericidal action, have broad spectrum effect on gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria. First generation norfloxacin, ciprofloxacin. Second generation levofloxacin, sparfloxacin. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you.